today's video I have my July latest in beauty box. Let's get in here and see what I've chosen this month. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video I have my July latest in beauty box. Let's get in here. Oh yeah, so this is $14.95 per month and it's $3.95 postage. I think if you order 3 months, after 3 months the postage becomes free, but do double check beforehand. I have a link. I'll pop the link in the information box and the comment box for you. If you give that a click, you'll get 20% off, I think it is. The details are below, check that out. I cannot remember what I've chosen, to be honest with you, but let's just move things to the top. We'll have a sneak peek and then we will get into unboxing the goodies. There we go, there is a sneak peek for you. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well, it'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Hey guys, so with the latest in beauty, it's a beauty box with a difference. Basically you go on their website every month, they'll send you an email when they've taken payment, and you can go on there and out of a selection of products you can choose 6 of them every month. Some months is fabulous, it's like a gold mine. You can go and there's so many products to choose from. Other months can be a little bit dry. Let's get straight into this month's selection of products, and it is this one to start off with. So this is by the brand Invisibobble. This has been on their site for a while, and I don't know, I just was looking at it and thought, how the hell does that work? And I thought I'm gonna get it just to have a play around with it. And this is the Hair Loving Spiral Twins. You get one in here, so how is that a twin? Twist and unwrap for easy removal. Let's open it up and have a peek. Okay, we've got balls at the end. You see that? And then we've got the wire here. I'm really confused on what to do with that. That's what it looks like. But where would you put that on the hair? So just, oh, it's like a telephone wire, isn't it? So aren't they renowned for getting really, and then twist. I nearly dropped it. I am gonna need some kind of practice with that. I don't know what to make of that. Have I wasted one of my 6 choices? I think I have. But it's there. I will have a play with it and see if we can get something to work with it. But product number 1. Second product I've chosen is this. So this is by the brand Monoskin, and it's Illuminating Primer SPF 15 Soft Focus Technology for all skin types. I am not normally a primer kind of person, but recently I found that I am, especially if it's got skincare properties to it. I'm more likely to use it. I'm not going to open it up. I want to use that when it's nice and fresh, and I've got quite a few primers to get through. But I thought, you know, that's a really good brand. I wonder what the Illuminating Primer's like. So we will soon find out when I get to using it. Third item I have chosen is this. So this is by the brand Balmonds, and it's all your skin needs, and it is a scalp oil. Let's have a look. With bormage and rosemary, a natural oil for itchy scalps. That sounds cool. So how do you use it? Apply directly to your scalp and massage in gently. Use as often as required. Best used at night times. After applying the oil, sleep with a soft towel on your pillow to avoid staining. In the morning, wash the hair with the shampoo and conditioner that they use. Wash it with any shampoo and conditioner. Okay, I mean, I thought I'd get it. I like trying hair products every now and then. I mean, I do get quite oily hair, but every now and then my scalp can go quite dry and irritating, where it does become quite itchy. So yeah, I thought I'd give it a go and see what is what with that. The fourth product I have chosen is this. So this is by the brand Revolution Hair Care London, and this is the Bond Restore Lamella water. Hope I'm saying that right, probably not. But yeah, I was really tempted and I thought, yeah, why not just get it and try it out. I've actually bought a few Lamella waters now to try out because I've heard that you can get really good results. It makes your hair look fantastic, and that is what I'm wanting. I want fantastic looking hair. If I could talk properly, that would be great. So yeah, this is from their Plex range, which is their rip off from Olaplex. As I say, I've never tried anything with Olaplex before, so I won't be able to see if there's any comparisons or anything like that, but it just says, I think this is number 10 because they have numbers of what each product is. Yeah. And it says liquid gloss, adds shine, restores and strengthens. Yeah, it's got protein in here, which sounds absolutely amazing. 150 mils in there. I am super excited to try that out. I need to get trying my hair products. I need to get back into it because, well, one, my hair needs it, and two, I just love trying hair products. Yeah, if you are interested in seeing a video on this, please comment down below to let me know and I'll get it done ASAP. The fifth product I have chosen is this. That packaging is absolutely gorgeous. This is by Physicians Formula, and it's Rose All Day Oil Free Serum. Brightens and tightens. This needs brightening and it certainly needs a lot of tightening. Yeah, I thought that's a really nice brand and I thought I really want to give it a go. It is sealed. I'm really tempted to open it. No, I'm going to leave it sealed, but I'm presuming that is going to have a rosy scent, which is okay with me. But yeah, when I come to trying that out, I'll see how strong that rose scent is. Yeah, have you tried this before? Because I haven't. Let me know how you've got on with it. Sixth and final product I have chosen is this. So this is by the brand also Physicians Formula, and this is the Healthy Powder. This is like a tinted powder as far as I'm aware. MW2, is that the shade? I have no idea whatsoever. I think it is. But I thought, oh, you know what, let's just give it a go. If I can just pop a little bit of moisturizer on, because I can't leave the house without makeup, unless when I go to the gym I'd put a bit of mascara on, but on a normal, I can't open it. On a normal day-to-day basis, I don't leave the house without makeup. And sometimes it can be a faff when you can't be bothered to put any on. So I thought, yeah, let's get this. Maybe I can put a little bit of moisturizer on and see if this has any coverage, or just use it as a setting powder, but we'll see. So just opening it up, and as you can see, that kind of automatically lifts up. So we have a mirror here, can you see? And then in there we have a little, oh, it's a sponge, so if you want to like apply it with that sponge, feels really nice actually. I don't normally use those when they come supplied with them. I normally use a brush, but when I come to trying it out, I'll give it a go and see what's what. But that's what I straight away don't like with that. That's not sitting down flat. That's going to get annoying real quick. But let's just have a swatch. Oh, that's actually a really good colour match, isn't it? It feels really soft and velvety. That looks actually really nice. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try that out proper to get my true thoughts on it, but so far so good. Guys, so this is my July latest in beauty box. What do you think of my choices this month? Personally, I'm quite happy with what I've chosen, although there's one product I'm not happy with. I really wish I hadn't have chose that. After looking at it and having a little play with it, I think it's shite. To be honest, it is a load of shite, and I thought the coil was going to be longer, and I actually, from the photographs, I thought they were going to be like flat discs, not balls, but hey ho. Yeah, that's not my cup of tea at all, but everything else I'm actually really intrigued in trying. So yeah, we've got an illuminating primer with SPF 15 that sounds quite interesting. I can't wait to use the lamella water. The scalp oil, really intrigued in whacking that on my scalp. Yeah, I really will like that if it brightens and tightens. Like I say, I need some tightening. Yeah, and that healthy powder looks good. So yeah, I am happy. I am very, very happy indeed. Definitely products I will use apart from that one. But yeah, hey ho. What have you chosen in your box this month? Comment down below and let me know. Have you not subscribed to this box yet? If you haven't and you want to, there's a link down below. Make sure to use it. You'll get a percentage off. I think it's 20% that you'll get off your first box, which is always nice to get some money off. But yeah, basically that concludes my video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.